Identify your primary customer attributes. A successful social media strategy always targets the right people, your ideal customers, with the most appropriate message in the social media network where they naturally congregate, using a specific content format that works best on that social media network. To be able to figure out all of the above accurately, you must identify the specific attributes of your ideal customers. For example, it makes little sense to target everyone in the 18 to 35 age group if you really want to target upwardly mobile young professionals who are technology enthusiasts. The best way to identify specifics of your ideal customers is to create the ideal customer personas. Sit down and document as detailed an ideal customer persona as is possible. Start by giving them a name. Then define how old they are, what would be their income, are they married or single, does their wife work or not, do they have children, what they like or dislike, what motivates them, what could be the minimum maximum limits of their disposable income. Disposable income is money in hand to be disposed of after all monthly bills are paid and so on. If you have more than one ideal customer, create a customer persona for each. Research your competition. By carefully watching what your competition is doing in various social media networks, you will learn what will work in your social media marketing strategy and what will not. Your competitors are targeting the same customers as you are. If you ignore studying what your competition is doing on various social media networks, you are giving up a terrific opportunity to learn from their successes and mistakes. Pick just one or two of your top competitors, find out which social media networks they are active on, study the structure and the content that they display on the social media networks they've chosen. Do they talk about their products and services only? Do they focus on other things as well? Make careful note of how much engagement your competitor is getting in the form of comments, shares, likes, and so on. Studying your competitors is what teaches you what kind of content you need to create and deploy on the social media networks you've chosen in your social media marketing strategy. Develop your social media marketing content. Once you've done all the research that you need to do on your competition, you've understood your customer attributes, it's time to start structuring your social media marketing content. This is the content that will capture and fire up the imagination of the mindset of your ideal customers when they encounter it on the social media networks where they hang out. Start by creating a set of top-level key messages. These are messages you believe will resonate with your ideal customers when they encounter them on their social media network. These messages are based on the personas you created and moderated by the learning you got from studying your competitors. Choose a key message and start fleshing it out carefully. Ensure that nothing you add takes away from the key message itself. While it's okay to adopt some of your competitors' successful key messages, do your best to create original key messages that set you apart as part of your social media marketing content. This is what will help you create your own brand. Remember, it will be a disaster if your social media marketing content triggers a connection to your competitors' products and or services in your ideal customer's mind. Never be afraid to get creative as possible when creating your social media marketing content. Your content should be visually arresting. Your content copy should clarify the value you add to your customer, all the while being exciting, not boring.